Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ekene Patience. Today I'm going to share with you a room tour and more. So this is how the lovely painting looks like here. The bedding, the floor. For my Dutch viewers, I'm going to speak a little bit of Dutch. Goedemiddag, bedankt voor het kijken. Vandaag ben ik bezig met automobiels te praten en ik ga een beetje make-up en met jullie delen mijn favoriet cosmetica. Dit is die L'Oreal Elvive. Dit gebruik ik voor mijn natuurlijk haar. Dus als jullie weten, ik draag nu mijn natuurlijk haar. Dus ik probeer zo min mogelijk pracht op te dragen. Omdat ik ben misschien te veel te lauw om die pracht heel mooi te maken. Dus ik draag nu natuurlijk haar. Dus, ja. Nu ga ik tanden poetsen, maar ik hou van prakken. Prakken zijn super mooi en zijn super vrouwelijk. Maar ik draag nu maar natuurlijk haar. Dus ik ga nu mijn tanden poetsen. Ik poets vaak met deze Sensodyne. Dus je kunt Sensodyne kopen bij Ethos of bij Krabbats. Je hebt Ethos in Middelburg, Ethos in Goes, Ethos in Zeeland, in Vlissingen, Ethos in Amsterdam, Ethos in Rotterdam. Je hebt ook Krabbats in Amsterdam, Rotterdam. Dus ik koop vaak tandenborstel. Dus ik raad jullie aan een tandenborstel per week te gebruiken. Iedere week nieuwe tandenborstel. Beter en ook Sensodyne te gebruiken. Ik ben een hele grote fan van Sensodyne tandenpasta. Dus ik doe het zo op de tandenborstel en dan ga ik poetsen. Guys, I'm going to talk to you about biochemistry, chemistry study. In my previous video, I promised to talk to you guys about biology. So this video I'm going to talk about biology. So what is biology and what is chemistry? You know, biology is about the studies of living organisms, right? So you tend to study living organisms, and some biologists tend to study, you know, non-living organisms as well. Chemistry is about studying chemical compounds, while biochemistry is the study of the chemical compounds and biological components. For example, tomato, you know, as a biochemist, biochemists tend to study the chemical compounds in tomato. Biochemists tend to study the chemical compounds in protein. So the end product of protein is called amino acid. Okay, for biochemists, it is important to know all this in order to become a biochemist, right? You have to know the end product of carbohydrates. And so I've got my two current favorite body lotion. This is the Ritual of Hammond and this is the Ritual of Hammond Nourishing Body Cream. This is so uplifting body cream. So you can choose. This has like a lighter shade of blue. So this is how it looks like, and this one looks different. So I'm going to share with you how I apply body lotion on my skin, so you can tell I've already used from it. So I'd love to talk to you guys about skincare, beauty. So make sure you just massage it properly. Like, do not like rub it gently, but massaging it into your skin will make it look more better on your skin. The effect will be there. But if you just rub it, like, you know, you will not get any effect. So it's advised to massage yourself properly. So whenever you're applying body lotion, just keep massaging it. Massaging like 5 to 10 minutes. And of course, we want to apply on your face. The Rituals does has a day and night cream for men and women. So if you wish to buy Rituals, you can shop online or check out the link below, ekenepatience.com/rituals, and do your shopping. So Rituals is present worldwide. You can find Rituals in New York, Spain, Japan, you know, Rituals in the Netherlands, in Belgium. So you make shop for Ritual products wherever you are. So next I'm going to apply a little bit of makeup. Guys, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this lovely boohoo dress, lovely necklace. So I've just washed myself. Guys, this is me time moment. I'm going to wash myself properly. Before I do so, I'm going to share with you my current favorite skincare item. This is the Body Shop Almond Milk. I also like to use the body scrub from Rituals. So this is the body scrub. So I'm going to use this to wash my body properly. This is Ritual of Almond Deeply Purifying Hot Body Scrub. Guys, this is the finished result of this makeup look and hairstyling. Guys, I'm going to do a little bit of room tour. This is the picture in the room. Lovely room, lovely bed linen, wardrobe. And this is the bathroom area. Looks absolutely beautiful. Persons that are buoyant loves to shop from Toyota, of course, in Europe. So Louman is a very famous man that does in Toyota. So Louman, Louman, Louman Automobile Garage. You have them in different cities in the Netherlands. You have in Amsterdam, Middelburg. Does deals on Toyota cars. You also have Hyundai in Europe. So most buoyant men love to buy Hyundai cars, Toyota cars. They also like to buy Tesla. So Tesla is a famous brand. So Tesla is pretty famous in Europe because it does requires you to charge it with electric chargers. So you have Tesla cars, you have Rolls-Royce, you have Lamborghini, Bugatti. Maybach is a brand made by Mercedes-Benz. So Mercedes-Benz is pretty famous. As you all know, Mercedes-Benz is a brand from Germany. It's a German automobile brand. So why do I love to talk about cars? There are so many male viewers, persons. Male love to watch my channels. Male loves to watch my videos on YouTube. Male likes to watch my pictures on my blog, akinapations.com. So I thought, why not talk about male-related topics? So automobile is a good topic to talk about. You also have electronics. So that's why I'm promoting Apple on akinapations.com, and under the column gadgets, I'm also promoting Apple on blacknut.me. So Apple is a famous brand and a good topic to talk about that is very interesting for male viewers. Because I tend to create makeup videos and fashion videos, I thought in between, why not talk about cars and gadgets, so that this channel will not be too boring for the male viewers. So yeah, that's why I'm going to share a little bit of fact to you guys. You guys know that Italy brands are known for fashion brands. So Fendi, Gucci, Prada, these are great fashion brands from Italy and also from France. So on my website blacknut.me, I'm promoting some great fashion brands such as Prada, Gucci, Fendi. Louis Vuitton is a French brand. Okay, so Balenciaga is also a good brand. I don't know, I believe it's a French brand, I'm not sure. But Vichy is a French brand. Bioderma is a French brand. Although I have not enlisted Bioderma, Vichy on my website, blacknut.me, but I have added it on Pinterest. So if you guys wish to have these beauty brands enlisted on my website, blacknut.org, you can contact me. So Vichy is a great brand for skincare. Bioderma is also a great brand for skincare. Bioderma has skincare line. Chanel has skincare line. Chanel I'm already promoting on blacknut.org, okay, and on blacknut.me, and on my fabulousbeauties.com. Chanel is a great brand. So if you wish to buy Chanel perfume, Chanel powder, Chanel day and night cream, do go ahead and do so. Chanel is a high-end brand, so you can shop from Chanel, from Issey Paris or Douglas, or directly from their website. I also enjoy promoting beauty brands. So on my website akinapations.com/beauty, I'm promoting Dior, MAC Cosmetics. If you wish to buy beautiful makeup or perfume, you can shop from Issey Paris or Douglas in the Netherlands. So you have Issey Paris in Amsterdam, Issey Paris in Rotterdam. You also have Douglas in several other cities in the Netherlands. For some of you that are automobile fans I'm also promoting some cool automobiles on my website, such as Bugatti, Ferrari, Porsche, Toyota, Hyundai. On the top page of Black Knot, that's me. I'm promoting Toyota, Hyundai, Tesla, Porsche, Ferrari. I'm promoting Bugatti on blackknot.org. So you find the links below this video. So if you wish to buy a very beautiful car, you can buy from Mercedes-Benz, from Toyota, Hyundai. You can follow the links on my website to purchase cars. So I enjoy sharing with you guys beautiful automobile brands. I also love to chit chat and write blog posts related to automobiles, fashion, beauty, because you guys love to read my blog and you guys also like to be updated with what I'm doing. So that's why I do all these for you guys. On the top page of my website, blackknot.me, and on myfabulousbeauties.com, I'm promoting Regus. So if you are looking for a beautiful office space or an apartment in Amsterdam, Rotterdam, or even abroad in Scotland, United Kingdom, you can rent to Regus. So Regus, that's how you spell Regus. So Regus is a very famous real estate company. We also have Rothfast Founder in the Netherlands, so I thought I'd share. So yeah, if you guys need an office space for very affordable prices, so Regus is your best bet.